Point number 17, give as much charity as possible besides the zakat. If you have given your zakat, good. If you have not, see to it you give it. But besides zakat, give as much as charity as possible. Point number 18, do as many good deeds as possible. Point number 19, do tazkiyah nafs every day during these 10 days of the Hijjah. Point number 20, recite the masnoon dua of the beloved Prophet. If you are not reciting, start reciting in these 10 days. If you recite few, start reciting more or increase the number of masnoon dua. For example, when you enter the mosque, there's a dua. When you come out of the mosque, there's a dua. When you enter the toilet, there's a dua. When you come out of the toilet, there's a dua. When you wear a dress, there's a dua. For most of the acts, there are duas. So see to it, you do the masnoon duas. Point number 21, do as many sunnahs of the Prophet. For example, while you drink water, see to it, you sit and drink water. It is a very important sunnah of the Prophet. When you wear a footwear, see to it, you wear the footwear on the right leg first. When you remove the footwear, see to it, you remove your left leg first. When you enter the mosque, enter with the right leg. When you exit the mosque, you exit with the left leg. When you enter the toilet, enter with the left leg. When you exit the toilet, you exit the toilet with the right leg. When you are wearing a dress, a shirt, put your right hand first. When you're removing the shirt, remove the left hand first. When you're wearing a trouser, put the right leg first. When you're removing the trouser, remove your left leg first. These are the various sunnahs of the Prophet. Do as many sunnah as you can. If you're not doing, start doing it. If you're doing few, do more. If you're doing more, increase it as much as possible during these 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. During these first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, you should see to it that a good deed should increase as compared to the other days of the year. It should be more. If you're reading few duas, read more duas. If you're reading only the farz, start reading the Sunnat Muakkada. If you're reading only Sunnat Muakkada and farz, start reading Sunnat Ghair Muakkada. If you're reading all these three, increase your salah, increase your dua, increase your asking for forgiveness. 22, read the authentic hadith of the Prophet, the Sahih hadith. You have the Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, and the Silsila Sahih of Albani, the Sahih hadith from Abu Dawud, from Nisai, from Ibn Majah, and so forth. And there's also a new compilation done by Sheikh Ziyar Rahman Azmi of Jami Kamil. We've accumulated all the hadiths Sahih and removed the duplicate, which is approximately 16,546 hadith. All the Sahih. So once you read this, you can easily say that you have read all the hadiths Sahih, whether it's in Bukhari, Muslim, etc., without duplicating, so it's easier. So if you read the Jami Kamil, it's a good thing to do. Point number 23 is that you should forgive people's faults. Forgive the faults of others. Whatever faults that people do around you, rather than keeping in your mind or taking a grudge, forgive it. If you forgive, Allah will forgive you. Whether it be of your family members, whether it be of your staff, whether it be people around you, forgive as many faults as possible of the others. Point number 24, do Islah with your other Muslims. Point number 25, do Dawah with the non-Muslims. Point number 26 is that you offer Sunnat Ghair Muakkada. There are total 10 Sunnat Ghair Muakkada. It is 2 rakah Sunnah after the Dhuhr Salah, 2 plus 2, 4 rakah Sunnah before the Asr Salah, 2 rakah Sunnah before the Maghrib Salah, and 2 rakah Sunnah before the Isha Salah. So there are 10 Sunnat Ghair Muakkada. If you offer this, Alhamdulillah, during all the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. The next is the 28th point, is attend as many lectures and programs and courses of the authentic scholars to increase your knowledge in Islam. And today, being a pandemic is there throughout the world, attending live programs will be difficult. You can go to the next point, that's the 29th point. You can watch the videos, the video recordings of the authentic scholars and the authentic orators, whether it be on a learning management system, whether it be on the Facebook, whether it be on the YouTube, whether it be on the Al-Hidayah, whether it be on the Peace TV, on various social media platforms. But see to it that these scholars and orators that we're hearing are authentic.